State lawmakers have the next 20 days to figure out how to close a near billion-dollar budget shortfall. Governor Sisolak is now calling for deep cuts in state agencies to try and balance the budget. 13 Action News reporter Sean Delancey is live near the Strip to explain which departments may be getting cut and also how it affects you. Sean.
Yeah, Ross, the state's wallet has been hit hard by these business closures, especially the closure of the Strip. Governor Sisolak's proposed budget cuts will cut deep at just about every government agency at the top. Nevada is short $812 million in the fiscal year ending this month. The coronavirus placing a stranglehold on revenue as businesses shutter and the Strip goes dark.
Nobody can plan budgetarily for that.
13 Action News financial analyst Steve Buden says that the overnight closure was more of a shock to municipal budgets than the Great Recession, hitting the state's two main sources of income.
Gaming taxes and sales taxes. And when you shut an economy down, those are the two big impact revenue sources that get hit.
In response, Governor Steve Sisolak has proposed deep budget cuts across the government. $14 million from the Department of Higher Education, $19 million from the Department of Health and Human Services, $8 million from the Department of Education, $3 million from the Department of Public Safety, on and on. In total, the state plans to save $117 million between cuts and halting one-time payments.
When that spigot of money shuts off, it can be extremely disruptive because it's very hard to undo some of the commitments you've made.
The proposal goes to the Interim Finance Committee. Co-chairs Maggie Carlton and Joyce Woodhouse declined an interview, saying it was too early to talk about details. Carlton did say they hope the federal government steps in to help fill the budget hole. Sisolak and 4 other governors have requested $1 trillion in aid as part of the 5-state Western States Pact.
More casinos are opening. More are being announced.
Buden says fiscal year 2021, ending in July, looks more stable since restrictions have lifted, but officials shouldn't expect normalcy just yet.
I think we're headed in the right direction, but to expect something to rebound very quickly, I think is extremely unlikely.
Now, along with emptying the rainy day fund and other budget shifting, this proposal could put us and should put us back in the black. The Interim Finance Committee is expected to put a vote to this on Friday. Sean Delancey, 13 Action News.